Hey, this is Ron from Sleepy Circuits. Welcome back to the Snooze. Today we have yet another action-packed holiday episode of the Snooze. We are talking about the Mezzz Mega Demo, Advanced Shaping onto Hypno, a new chaotic video pack, and a rainbow of other audio-visual things. Mezzz has started shipping. We've received the first batch in our office and have began shipping units to customers. So huge thanks to those of you who have already placed an order. And if you haven't, Mezzz is in stock now on our site. So go check that link in the description. I have also written and released a mega demo about Mezzz and vidOS, so make sure to go watch that next if you haven't already. Apparently, the Hypno has so many features, it took us over a year to get to documenting this one. The advanced video shaping features unlock additional shaping, keying, and more for Hypno's function generators. We have detailed these powerful advanced features in a dedicated video, so make sure to put it on your watch list. This snooze cycle, we have an extra special video pack for you from team members Sleepy Naomi, Chaos Painters. This video collection is an exploration of mapping chaotic differential equations in 3D environments. This comes from Naomi's diligent study of using chaos for art and is based on 19 equations from the work of J.C. Sprott. Go download it from our website today. And now, time for some more topics from the wider world of AV news. Have you ever wondered how modern LEDs get made? Well, in this video from Strange Parts, they walk you through the factory that makes the ubiquitous RGB LEDs present in Mezzz and almost every other modern device with RGB lighting. World Semi has a truly awe-inspiring production line, and my favorite part was the wire bonding machine that can make hundreds of thousands of connections every minute. Now that's lit. So you watched our OBS demo and are getting pretty comfy with this awesome software, but then you think, no, this is not enough. This recording needs more video effects. Well, Cats Full of Ghost Workers Audio has got you covered. Their awesome video shows you how to squeeze the maximum video craziness out of OBS, absolutely free. So quick, go start that video before your cat sits on your keyboard. Andre J, world-renowned video wizard, is casting a powerful spell that will be producing a limited run of their standalone high-definition video delay system, Gravity Waves. The results speak for themselves, and I don't believe there are any other video synthesizers that implement these unique techniques. All of Andre's work is graciously open source, and this kit is on sale today and is a collection of hardware that lets you start playing with the software right away. Make sure to pick one up now, since Andre makes these himself in between an intense schedule of Video Arcana study and is only taking orders for a very limited amount of time. And now, you know what time it is, just a little extra for the real video freaks, it's info time. And finally, it's time for some real friggin' news. In 2020, researchers developed a technique called Nerfs, or Neural Radiance Fields. Basically, it can take some reference images and produce novel views of 3D scenes. And well, this was already pretty cool, but in this new work, shown at SIGGRAPH 23, they've combined these techniques with sparse point clouds and those pesky bell curves your teacher used to grade you in math class. A collection of these Gaussians is stored and concentrated into areas of higher detail to efficiently render an entire photorealistic 1080p unbounded 3D environment, complete with reflections and transparencies. Now that is genuinely awesome work, so better start studying now or you might get trapped in one of these fake realities. And that's all I got. If you understood any of that last section, imagine me giving you a high five and then use the top secret code, thanks for nothing, for 10% on any non-Mezzz item from our shop. Thank you for listening, and make sure to drink plenty of water, comment, like, and maybe even subscribe.